Welcome students to this set 2 of refrigeration and air conditioning. So see the first question. The COP of a vapor compression plant in comparison to vapor absorption plant is okay. So COP VCC का VAS से ज़्यादा ही रहता है dear student. Means the COP of vapor compression plant is greater than that of vapor absorption of plant. So your answer should be A. The fluids used in Electrolux refrigerator are, so which fluid is used in Electrolux refrigerator? So you should know the three fluids is used: ammonia, water and hydrogen. So that's why this Electrolux refrigerator is also called as what? It is also called as three fluid absorption system, dear students. It is also called as three fluid absorption system. So आपका आंसर C रहेगा. ठीक है, next. Domestic refrigerator working on vapor compression cycle uses the following types of expansion device. Okay, so कौन से type का expansion device use करता है domestic refrigerator? It uses capillary tube. Capillary tube is used in the domestic refrigerator. So आपका आंसर 3 रहेगा. चलो next, fourth. The condition of refrigerant after passing through the expansion or throttle valve in a vapor compression system is, okay, so condition क्या रहेगा of refrigerant after passing through expansion valve? High pressure saturated liquid, wet vapor, very wet vapor or dry vapor? So your answer should be high wet vapor content. So it will have a very high wet vapor content. An important characteristic of an absorption system, it is quite in operation because we don't use here compressor. So आपका आंसर B रहना चाहिए dear students. So your answer is what? B. It is quite in operation. Next, the centrifugal compressor are generally used for refrigerants that require, okay, so that require what? Large displacement and low condensing pressure. The centrifugal compressor are used for refrigerant that require what? Large displacement and low condensing pressure. So आपका आंसर D रहना चाहिए. Okay, pick up the incorrect statement. So pick up the incorrect statement. Lithium boride is used in vapor absorption, is non-volatile. Yes, it is non-volatile. It can operate below 0 degree. Yes, it operates below 0 degree. A separator is used in lithium bromide plant to remove the unwanted water vapor by condensing. This is incorrect. Separator is not used in lithium bromide to remove unwanted water. Okay, so incorrect statement is by condensing. Okay, it's not by condensing. So आपका आंसर C रहना चाहिए dear students. Great. चलो next. During dehumidification process, the relative humidity decreases. Relative humidity क्या होगा? Decrease होगा dear student. It will decrease. Your answer would be C. The refrigerant widely used in domestic refrigerator is R12. जो डोमेस्टिक रेफ्रिजरेटर में हम बेसिकली R12 यूज करते हैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स, और आपका आंसर D रहना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, द मॉइस्चर इन अ रेफ्रिजरेंट इज रिमूव्ड बाय ड्रायर्स. मॉइस्चर कैसे रिमूव करते हैं रेफ्रिजरेंट में? ड्रायर से रिमूव करते हैं. तो आपका आंसर D रहना चाहिए, ड्रायर्स. नेक्स्ट, ड्यूरिंग सेंसिबल कूलिंग ऑफ एयर ड्राई बल्ब टेम्परेचर क्या होगा? डिक्रीज होगा. योर ड्राई बल्ब टेम्परेचर डिक्रीजेस डियर स्टूडेंट्स. आपका आंसर C रहेगा. नेक्स्ट, at lower temperatures and pressures the latent heat of vaporization of a refrigerant increases. उसका latent heat क्या होगा? रेफ्रिजरेंट का increase होगा at low temperatures and pressures dear students. Okay, so आपका आंसर B रहना चाहिए. The wet bulb depression is 0 when relative humidity is 1. When your relative humidity is 1, तब आपका wet bulb depression क्या रहेगा? 0 रहेगा dear students. Next, the COP of a refrigeration cycle with increase in evaporator temperature keeping condenser temperature constant will increase. मीन्स अगर समझो मैं इवेपोरेटर टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करता हूँ कीपिंग कंडेंसर टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट, देन माय COP ऑफ रेफ्रिजरेशन विल इंक्रीज. योर लास्ट क्वेश्चन. During humidification process, dry bulb temperature. During humidification process, dry bulb temperature remains constant. Dear student, आपका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? A. It remains constant. So this was all about in the set 2. In next video, we will discuss about the set 3. Until then, thank you so much and keep working hard, guys.